In this video we are going to learn how to highlight the duplicates. Okay, so before we already learned how to delete the duplicates, okay, using a macros and VBA code. So let's start with the how to highlight the duplicates using the macros and also the VBA code. So you have this means I created this data and like code units and price per unit. So for this, if you want to record your macros, so what should I, let's start with the, yeah, go to the developer tab, or you can use the shortcut as Alt 11. Click on this record. Okay, click on this record macros. Okay, after that give the macros name as, if I want highlight duplicate, okay, and click on OK. So this is the start of recording. Now let's perform our, I selected this, go to the the data, conditional formatting, highlight the values, duplicate values, click on duplicate value. Now you can see that all the duplicates values are highlighted here. So if I click on OK, and I want to just do it for this specific condition for the specific data, go to developer tab. Now stop the recording. Okay, stop the recording. Now whenever you have a same type of data, okay, remember, whenever you have a same type of data and you want it to apply a same condition again and again, okay, if now I have this kind of data and again in certain I get the same data, so that time use this recorded macros. Okay, so let's do it. I will show you within a second how we can. I just want to clear this formatting whatever I applied. Okay, just a second, it's loading. Yeah, now we can go to the developer tab. Now it's already recorded, so this here is the option called macros. Okay, go to macros and search where you saved your macros. So my I gave the name as a highlighted duplicate 1. So click on that and click on run. You can see within a second we applied a same condition, not going to the home tab, conditional formatting. Okay, so this is the all about how you can do with your conditional formatting with the using recorded macros. Now I will show you with the code as well. Okay, so let's go with the code. Okay, go to the developer tab and click on a Visual Basics. In the Visual Basic there is a, this tab is open, and go to your sheet. So where is my sheet? It's called highlighted duplicate. You can see here. Right click on that and create as a module, and there you need to type your code. So what is the code written here? You can see sub highlighted for the like highlighted duplicates value. So this is the first is highlighted name is the name of the your VBA code. Okay, this is the name. Okay, so this is sub, it means the substitute. So you we can write as a sub. So it is a block of code, like whenever you want to start it, you can start, or you should start with the sub. Okay, whichever code you want to start in the VBA code, you can start with the sub and performing like a specific task. Now there is also, that's why I there is, this is the name of your code. Now there is a dim my range as a range and dim my range as a range. It means these two lines are declared two variables. Okay, first is my range and my cell. Okay, so and the specify their data type. What is the data type is range, because we are given a specific range for that. Okay, so this is the collection of the cell in the Excel, that we can be a single cell or a group of cells. Now again there is a, for each cell my in a range. So what is this? Means this is assigning the selected cell in the Excel worksheet to that a variable my range. You can see here the my range. Okay, so whatever cells are selected by the user before running the macros will be the used for further process. So this is for that. Now if worksheet function dot count if my range comma my cell dot value that will be greater than 1, it means we are giving some condition. Okay, so count if, whenever we are using at in Excel as well, you can always give a specified condition like my range will be the greater than 1. That means there is a duplicate. Okay, in a SQL as well, you know, if you know the SQL. Okay, if the values are greater than 1, you should learn this about the what is everything before we are writing the code, or you can prefer whenever you record that macros, go to the that code. Okay, that will also help you to understand the code. And where is that? Then here is a my cell, my ranges as well. Okay, and there is a integer, like it means background color as color index 36. So you can use as a VB color as blue, red, white, but there is a index number, the color are available. So interior, it means for the background color. I gave there is a light red and like that. Okay, so this is the 36, the color index. Everything whenever you mention it, just give the dot, the all optional, just show it as a clearly in the. Now end if, and end if is the line like mark the end of the if statement. Okay, so if the it in like if condition in a step 5 is not line, the value is not duplicated. Okay, so then next my cell, this line tells the loop to move to the next cell. Okay, it means loop is going forward to whenever you see the next if there is greater than 1, again. So that is why. And end subjects like marks for the end of the substitute. Okay, this is the start of a substitute with sub, and we are ending the substitute here. If you want to do this one again, you just enter it and start with the sub. Okay, that will another code. Okay, then you can control S and save it and go to your worksheet, and here go to the insert tab and draw your button whatever you want to assign it, because every time you go to visuals and then you can perform, that will take a time. So that's why you just right click on this and assign a macros. Okay, in the assign macro there are again option, means you are assigning that code for this button. So whenever you click on this button, that will perform your code. Okay, so here I want to apply this one. Now you can see if I select this and just click on this button, you can see. So my recorded macros, whenever you have a same kind of data, same repetitive task, you can do it. The VBA, you can modify your range and everything, and then just enter the all the code.